In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy ApeCoin, ticker symbol APE in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, make sure to go into your crypto account. Then once you're here, go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then on this screen, scroll down a tiny little bit until you come across trending categories. And where it says crypto, press on crypto right here. Then if you want to buy ApeCoin, scroll all the way down until you come across ApeCoin or ticker symbol APE, which for me is right here, ApeCoin, ticker symbol APE. I'll press on that. Now to change it from a market buy to a limit buy, first off, you got to press on buy. Then on this screen, at the top, it says market buy, press on market buy and change it to where it says limit buy. So a limit buy says choose the highest price per coin you're willing to pay your limit. Also press on limit coin. Now on this screen, type in the highest price you're willing to pay per coin. So for me, as of right now, it's $2.83. So if you wanted to go a little bit lower, you can go $2.80, for example, or however much you want. Press on 280, press on continue. Then on this screen, type in the amount of money you wish to invest into ApeCoin. So I'll just do $1 for this example, then press on continue. Then on this screen, if you want to confirm your purchase, go to confirm order at the bottom. And that is how you guys can limit buy ApeCoin, ticker symbol APE in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.